Hi guys, welcome. Guys, let's do this problem and I read the question first. Table represent a cubic polynomial fx and an error in one of the entries is suspected. Find and correct error. Determine fx using Newton-Gregory forward difference interpolation formula. So guys, we have a question here and this is our table. Guys, we are supposed to determine or to find the error. So the first thing guys we are going to do is to draw this table. And as you can see guys, I have drawn the table right here. This is the table. And guys, as I have drawn the table, I have been able to leave one row in between each entry. You can see these are the entries. I've left one row because that will be occupied by the difference. So guys, I have done it like that, and let me show you now guys how I have come up with these figures. So guys, after writing that both of the entry, that is for x and for fx, guys, I come and say 128 minus 66, you get 62. 66 minus 28, you get 38. 28 minus 8, you get 20. And so guys, I wrote all these numbers as shown. That is, guys, I had not shown the one marked with the red. So guys, the one marked with the red are not for now. So guys, I used the blue first, and then I came here 62 minus 38, I wrote 24. 38 minus 20, I wrote 18. Like that, even this one and even this negative 8. Until I came to this last column, where guys I found 66659. And so guys, because the 6 are the majority, then it goes without saying that the place of 5 should have been 6 and the place of 9 should have been 6. And so guys, I started right here again where I said 12 minus 6 is 6. Then guys, I came here and now said 6 minus, I now need to find the number that will bring us to 6. And that number is 0. And so guys, I wrote the 0 there. Then I came to this other point. I said 0 minus a number should give me 6. And so that number instead of 8 is negative 6. Guys, from there I came to this point because right here I have the correct number. And so I said 2 minus a number that can give me 0, and that is 2. So I had to write 2 there. I then come here and say 2 minus a number should give me negative 6. And that number is actually 8. And so I wrote 8 in the place of 9. Then I came to this part. Guys, I said 0 minus 2. That gives us 2. Then I said minus 2 minus a number should give me 2. And guys, that number is negative 4. Because when we say minus 2 minus 4 gives us 2. And so our the error was in this entry. That is entry negative 3. Because guys, if we go ahead and say minus 4 minus 12 will give us 8. And so this is the error that I corrected. From there guys, now we come and find the fx. In finding the fx, guys, I had this equation I used this position here at position X, that is from 0. Remember, this is going to 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. So I choose a position X, which I want to find the equation for that. That is Fx. So for that Fx, guys, we are going to have this. We shall say x minus x0, that is at point 0, all over h. This gives us p. And so therefore we have x minus 0, that this 0, all over 1, that is the interval from one entry to another, that is for x is 1, and so therefore this gives us x. And so guys, as you can see, our x is equals to p. But now guys, our formula is right here. That is formula of Newton-Gregory Ford difference. Formula is right here. So guys, I put, instead of p, I would put x, and this is what I put, guys, when I put x. So guys, I had to go ahead and now put f0. Guys, I used this line right here. This line that is at 0, I used that line. So the first entry for f0 shall be 2, and the next shall also be 2, 6, and 6 shall be negative 2, 2, 6, and 6. And this is what I have right here, guys. This is negative 2 for that. Delta f0, that is 2. And then we have this equation, delta 2 f0 is 6, and this delta 3 f0 is 6. So after doing that, guys, expanding that, I found fx is equals to that, all that. Now guys, from there I was now able to put them x cubed. From that x, I looked for all the x's wherever they are, and guys, they gave me x. 2x minus 3x is minus x, plus 2x is x, and then I'm left with 2. Guys, this is now my solution. This is now my solution, and thank you guys for listening to me. Bye.